Good day, I'm Amercy Chico from Design 6, R32S1. Cortex, a proposed 5-star luxury resort in Tagaytay. The Cortex is a 5-star resort hotel that reflects a blend of luxury and resilience. Inspired by nature, drawing from the structure layers of the pineapples, Cortex or skin, the brand symbolizes protection, sustainability, and cultural depth. The Cortex Resort emphasizes green architecture and biophilic design, creating an immersive experience that celebrates the richness of the surrounding environment while offering exceptional comfort and sophistication with its unique focus on blending natural elements with modern amenities. Cortex provides guests with a luxurious nature-integrated sanctuary that respects and highlights the local heritage and landscape. Concept, the Filipinian luxury hotel concept weaves biophilic architecture into a design that celebrates Philippine heritage and Tagaytay natural beauty. The facade, featuring a hexagonal pineapple skin texture, symbolize local culture and offer natural weather resistance. Lush landscaping with tropical flora and pineapple plants surrounds the property, enhancing guest connection to environment. A farm-to-table dining experience highlighting locally sourced pineapple-based dishes. Immerse guests in the region's agricultural legacy. This nature integrated design creates a luxurious, sustainable retreat that fosters well-being and a deep connection to the surrounding landscape. The evolution of form. Number 1, the starting with a base block, and the second, the building is then divided according to different function and size. Addition, subtraction of volumes, and the number 4, playing with levels for final form. And the sa may evolution of form ko, kinuha ko yung korte ng aking unit base doon sa hexagonal shape na naaayon din dun sa skin ng pineapple. And may design consideration is utilities, accessibility, energy efficiency, parking, aesthetic, security, circulation, sustainability, and comfort. Next is site development plan. The grand entry is malapit sa intersection. Ang distansya niya ay around sa 30 to 45 meters. And may basement parking is para ma-maximize ang space sa ground floor. And I locate the bus parking and visitors parking near the main entry and the exit to not to cause the traffic flow. And may infinity pool and relaxation at ay nilagay ko sa roof deck para ma-sight nila yung tal view. And this is my building A and this is my building B. Naglagay ako ng dancing fountain para dagdag attraction sa mga visitors and guests. And to my Cortex 5 Resort Hotel. Naglagay ako ng organic chair para sa mga visitors and guests habang na-enjoy nila yung ganda ng Taal. And then, ganun din ang pergola. Malapit siya sa dancing fountain and naglagay ako sa upper left ng outdoor play area para sa mga bata or sa mga pamilyang gusto pang mag-bonding habang ine-enjoy nila ang ganda ng Taal. And the yoga is located the upper right and the pavilion. Next is my ground floor. This is my entry and exit of the Cortex. And the lobby located around the middle of building. And katabi niya ay reception. Kaya nandun dito ang lobby para hindi magkaroon ng cause ng traffic sa gitna ng aking structure or ng aking space plan. And malapit siya sa common stairs and elevator and sa commercial area. And the restroom is located at the middle of building A. And there is my other spaces: laundry, housekeeping, storage linen, and staff lunch, staff office, admin room, storage office files, and control room. Ang admin and staff office and control room ay pinagigitnaan nila ang storage office files para easy access sa kanilang mga importanteng documents. And go to the building B. And ito ang aking commercial area. The gift boutique, souvenir shop, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Dior. And the restroom and laundry, housekeeping, storage linen, and the staff lunch, staff office, staff control room, storage office files, and admin is the same in the building A. But the difference is the multipurpose. Nilagay ko ang multipurpose sa baba para easy access dun sa mga dadalo ng kanilang event or other events. Next is a basement parking. A basement parking is around 248 accommodate for the guests and the staff parking with the electric vehicle charging parking for the luxury cars. And I put the PWD parking located near the exit for easy accessible to exit. And the PWD parking is 7 slot. Naaayon nito dun sa BP344 dahil around 200 to 300 parking is B7 parking for PWD. Next is second floor. This is the restaurant. This is the whole restaurant in the second floor. Ilagay ko sila dito dahil para mas pa-feel nila ang view ng Taal. And sa gitna naman ng aking structure, building A and building B, ay binutasan ko sila para magkaroon ng natural lighting and natural ventilation na manggagaling sa second floor at madadama naman ng ground floor. And naglagay ako ng garden to less solar heat gain para dun sa outdoor dining and the other amenities. Next is the unit, deluxe room. Ang deluxe room per floor is 20 units. 20 units per floor from third to fourth floor and fifth floor is the same deluxe room. And my floor plan, this is the jacuzzi for side of view and the sofa para mas ma-feel nila ang ganda ng Taal. And nilagay ko ang shower sa upper left para while use it, nafe-feel pa rin nila yung Taal. And ganun din ang study area and the bedroom and other spaces. Next is suites room, and from 6th floor to 9th floor is equivalent per floor is 20 units. And total lahat ng from 6th to 9th floor is 80 units, the suites room. And this is my floor plan. And ganun ulit sa jacuzzi para ma-feel nila ang side of view ng Taal or yung ganda ng Taal. And the upper right is the shower and side of view of the relaxation near the study area. In the study area, I put there because for feel the beauty of Taal and living area. And I located the bedroom this para magkaroon sila ng privacy na manggagaling sa living area. And this is my blow up plan. Next is roof deck. From the building B, sa bandang kaliwa, upper left is a comfort room. Sa katabi ng comfort room is storage linen para sa steam and sauna. At ang katabi ng steam and sauna is infinity pool and relaxation. Ilagay ko dito ang infinity pool para mas ma-feel nila yung vibe ng Taal at mas ma-enjoyment nila habang sila ay nag-swimming. Ang katabi ng roof deck bar ay fitness room and ballroom area. Diyan ko nilagay ang ballroom area at fitness room para habang sila ay nag-exercise and sumasayo or nagpa-practice ay na-enjoyment din nila yung ganda ng Taal. Ganon din sa building A. Ganon din ang aking setup. Next is my interior perspective. Lastly is exterior perspective.